Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel from the top, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me is right over here. Once you find it, you can tap on it to immediately turn it on with whatever the default parameters of it are, or you can also hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings. In here, you'll be able to customize what kind of people can message you or call you, what kind of apps will be able to interrupt you, and also some general settings for like alarms and general interruptions from sounds, vibrations, and so on. And below that we have a schedule, which simply allows you to set up schedule once and then have it so it turns on and off Do Not Disturb mode automatically. Now going into people and under specifically calls, you will find additional option, allow repeated callers, which completely bypasses whatever you select right here, assuming someone meets the requirement of calling you twice within a 15-minute period. Now this option is fairly nice for people that really need to get your attention, some kind of emergency. So even though, as an example, you'd have said that no one can call you, if this is enabled and someone does it twice, they will bypass that option and reach you without a problem. And messages has basically the same option, so for people that can contact you, so everyone, contacts, favorites, and no one. So choose whichever one you want. And you can go into apps again. Similar things, you just pick apps instead. And like I mentioned before, here we have just general sounds, schedule, and under advanced we have duration for a quick setting. This refers to the toggle itself. So this one right here, when you tap on it, you can define what will happen. We have until turn off, which is the default one. We have also a time specific one. So when you tap on it, it will turn on for a specific amount of hours provided right here. And then ask every time, which allows you to pick from either two of them, including the ability for you to change how many hours it will be turned on for. That is because once you set it up right here, as an example, for 3 hours and confirm it, whenever you tap on the toggle right here, it will turn on that Do Not Disturb mode for 3 hours. But if you choose ask every time instead, this will bring you the option so you can choose whichever each time for how many hours you want, or also just go with the until turn off. And last option, we have display options for hidden notifications. Let's see what that is. So just the general notifications, how they will appear. So you can also customize that. Now, once you have gone through all these settings and customize them to your liking, you can now either tap on it to turn it on whenever you want, or if you went with a schedule route, simply wait for the device to turn it on for you. And additionally, once, as an example, schedule, or you have turned it on, it doesn't really matter which one. So once the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled and you want to either turn it off yourself, or you don't want to wait for a schedule to turn it off, you can simply tap on the toggle once again, and this will disable it. Now that being said, this is how you would set up your Do Not Disturb mode and also use it with all the settings. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.